Hi, I'm going to tell you about the Snippet Tool. So in order to take a screenshot of a part of your screen, or let's say you're in a Google Meet and a student is showing you their work and you want to take a screenshot of it, you have whatever you want up on the computer and you go down to the bottom left-hand corner of your computer and there's a magnifying glass and you type the word snippet. You can just type the word snip, it'll come up. It's got a blue and silver pair of scissors. You click snipping tool and a little window pops up that says new, and you click new, and then you'll see that your screen gets gray and you're going to drag your mouse by holding the mouse button down over what you want to take a picture of. Then it shows what the image will look like. You go to File and Save As, and then you give it a name. And then it's on my computer, it's saving to the desktop. You can tell it where you want it to save. And then you press save, and then that computer picture is now on your computer. You can do that within Google Classroom, you can do that within a Google Meet, you can do that for any website that the kids might create. This is a website where the kids were building, and so let's say they wanted to turn in their work, you could teach them how to use the Snippet tool this way too. So this is good for teachers who want to preserve work that's done online. And it's also great for students to use to save their screen after they do an online program. Hope that helps. Thanks.